Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. This is Umar with you. Today is 22nd of March and time now is almost 4 o'clock, and today was a very calm day. In fact, we had 2 or 3 expiries. Today was mid cap expiry, bank X expiry and Sensex expiry, and Monday is holiday due to Holi. So markets were kind of it was very calm, but after post 3 p.m. it was super volatile, and today we made a profit of around, let me show our profit. We made a profit of around 44,633 rupees, right? With that, we are sitting somewhere around almost at around 14.19%. And if you see the price action today, I've been saying that once 22, even in yesterday's video, I told yesterday we didn't post any video, but we were live and we told the likelihood of market reverting from 22,000 is very high. And this, you can see the orange line. Let me change this to a maybe hourly time frame so that you can understand what I'm trying to say. Right now you can see here where the rejection has exactly happened, right? On the trend line, if you see this trend line, we have seen the rejection exactly at 22, less than maybe 10 or 20 points lesser. We have seen a rejection, and US markets are all kind of flat, I would say, and IT was bleeding like anything. I really don't know what is the reason, and we don't have to know the reason why IT is bleeding or why FMCG is going on the higher side. We really don't have to look at that, right? As an option trader or as an option seller, all you have to focus is how you can control your position, how you can exit the trade without with minimal losses. I'm not saying you have to always focus on profit. I'm saying you always have to focus on how you reduce the losses. Once you focus on how you are going to reduce the losses, automatically the opposite will happen. I've been saying this many times. I've told this many times, and I've been saying this for a very long time, right? So if you are having a perspective, or if you are a person who is into trading and you are aiming for huge profit, just do opposite of what others do and you will be in profit, right? Anyway, what will happen going forward is the thing we will have to know. And let me go to the US futures. US futures, or I didn't see the US futures. Yeah, US futures are all kind of in the green. Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq, if you see here, all three indices, S&P 500, yeah, Dow Jones, S&P 500, Nasdaq, everything is in the green. It is almost flat, and even Europe is kind of in the green, right? Europe is also in the flat, now in flat. Now there is no big event or there is no big news in terms of market. There was a very good important event in terms of US market, which was federal rate interest rate decision, which has been factored into. In spite of that, even the market is not ready to go on the higher side. So you can understand there is a momentum formation here, right? There is a loss of momentum. People are not ready to take the market on the higher side. That is what you have to understand. So whatever was there, it has already been factored into. You are a retailer, you are the last person to know what is going to happen in the market, whether it is HNI or ultra HNIs or institutions or prop desk or any other person. Apart from you, apart from retailer, already know what is the news. You are the last person to know what is going to happen, right? So they have already factored in this news. They know that Federal Reserve is not going to change the interest rate. They are not going to increase the interest rate. It is going to be unchanged. They are going to pause it, and they have paused it continuously for the third time or fourth time, and they have given an indication that going forward they may reduce the interest rate. So it has been factored into. Now the main question is what might happen. Now we need a momentum, strong momentum for the markets to go on the higher side, and we are lacking momentum. We need really positive news. So we are lacking positive news is what I'm trying to say. We don't have any positive news. So for now we are seeing a new trend in terms of Nifty. Let me draw that trend for you so that you can understand. So if you see here, there is a trend formation here, right? Let me put it clearly. Okay, this is a trend formation, new trend formation, right? Now let us say I have drawn the upper trend line. I will also draw the lower trend line so that you can understand what is happening, right? So we might be trading in between this ranges, right? This is the hourly chart, so that you can understand. Maybe we will be trending between 22,000, sorry, 22,000, yeah, 22,000 on the lower side, 21,500, and we might be trending in this level for some days, maybe till election results are coming out. Now only they are telling who's the candidate, so on and so forth. So till elections, maybe we will be trending on the higher between this trend line, is my perspective, is my outlook. So that's what I'm saying. So it might happen, it might not happen, that's a whole different thing. So we expect Nifty, at least for this series, to trade between, let me write it down, around 22,200, 22,200 on the higher side, and on the lower side 21,500. So this is the range for Nifty for the coming days. So it might be moving sideways. And in terms of Bank Nifty, let me take you to the Bank Nifty chart. And what we are seeing here is we are also seeing a trend formation in Bank Nifty. Let me draw a trend line for you so that you can understand. So if you see here, there is a trend formation, right? So trend formation, and on the downside also I will draw a trend line so that you can understand what is happening in terms of Bank Nifty, right? So yeah, so sorry, yeah, so this might be the trend line, right? This might be the trend line, right? So maybe we will be let me, yeah, this one. So maybe we will be trending between these levels, going up, going down, going up. So for now we believe that Bank Nifty will trade between 47,000, and on the lower side we can expect maybe 45,500 in Bank Nifty. So this is what we expect in terms of Bank Nifty, right? So this is my perspective. I might be wrong, I might be right. Till now we are correct in terms of Nifty. That is evident in the Nifty chart itself. So trade accordingly, and I hope you will make some money. 22,200 is a very, very strong resistance in terms of Nifty. And in terms of Bank Nifty, let me take you to the Bank Nifty chart. And in terms of Bank Nifty market, 47,000, Bank Nifty is not able to move more than 47,000. So make sure you trade, or you have a trade which is in between this range, 47,000 on the higher side and maybe on the 46,000 on the lower side. 45,800 maybe. Yesterday's low might be a very, very crucial support in terms of Bank Nifty. And let us see how things pan out. We have many factors. You need global cues, positive global cues. You need many things are involved in terms of market. So because I am saying this, it is not necessary it will happen, and maybe things can change. And in terms of IT chart, I am sure if you are aware, IT stocks alone, IT pack is alone down by 2.33%, and I really don't know what is the news. Let me change this to a 5 minutes time frame. So it gapped down from 36,000 to all the way till 35,000, 1,000 points gap down, and it retraced almost maybe 200 points or 250 points in IT index, and we closed somewhere around 35,200, right? Now, in spite of all this, still, see, I'll tell you, in terms of Nifty, you can think contra way also. In spite of IT stocks falling, still Nifty is trying to hold about 22,000, means you should imagine how much we don't have momentum. If IT is not with us, if maybe IT stocks are not falling, maybe this Nifty and Bank Nifty would cross 22,200 for Nifty, and Bank Nifty would cross maybe 47,000, right? So we'll see how things pan out. We have a very, very long holiday. I hope you don't have any position because it is very, very risky. This is local holiday. Holi is a local holiday. It is not an international holiday. The Holi is a local holiday. So I hope you don't have any position. I wish you all a happy Holi. I hope I have summarized everything. I'll see you in yet another video. Till then, take care. Bye.